पूछते हैं क्या वो सुंदर है, क्या वो सुशील है, हमारा अंदाज अलग है, क्योंकि जवाब में हम कहते हैं वो होनहार है, पढ़ी लिखी है, खुश है, महत्वाकांक्षी है, समाज को सुधारती है, काबिले तारीफ है और वो एक शक्ति है। सोचिए जरा, इस नजरिए से अगर दुनिया ने स्त्री को देखा तो समाज का विकास निश्चित है। Ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host Monica Murthy and I'm very proud and excited to be a part of this. Friends, we are here to celebrate something very special. We are celebrating the power of modern Indian women. She holds her own and is breaking new ground in laboratories, cockpits, conference rooms or in the world of sports. Bank of Baroda has been a keen admirer and supporter of such phenomenal talents. Right from our sisters at the grassroots level to the ones who are shattering glass ceilings around the world. Through initiatives like the Bob Women Power Current Account, Baroda Mahila Shakti Savings Account and Baroda Gold Loan for Women, we are dedicated to bolstering women on their journey towards financial autonomy. Today we come together to commemorate a dynamic celebration of strength and empowerment as we honor the exceptional winners of the 4th edition of #Salute Her Shakti social media contest. Let's ignite this event with thunderous applause for their unyielding resilience and bask in the radiant power of women who ignite inspiration in all of us. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey ahead. But एक minute, aren't we missing something? To crown princesses, don't we need some queens? So without further ado, let me welcome the queen of the court along with the empress of the pitch. World champions and inspiration to billions. PV Sindhu and Shefali Verma. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye everyone. So a very warm welcome to you ladies. You know, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Sindhu has been 2 times Olympic champion, also the Badminton World Federation title holder for women's singles, claimed the bronze in 2013 and 2014, silver in 2017 and 2018, and a gold in 2019. Recipient of the Sports Honours Arjuna Award and Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, as well as the Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan. Wow. Miss Sindhu, how's the view from the top of the world?
Well, it feels really nice, and I mean, it gives me a lot of, I would say, that support to move more forward, and I think I'm really happy that I've been awarded with these, and the support from the government has been really good. So I think with this support, I hope I go much more further.
Wow. And how are the preparations happening for your further championship that's coming up?
Preparations are going on really well, and of course the ultimate aim is Olympics. It's just like a few months away, and preparing for that. I know it's not going to be easy, but just going all out, and I hope I get a medal.
Wow, that's amazing. I think it's commendable. क्या बात है. Thank you so much for answering our question. Miss Verma जी, कैसी हैं आप?
बहुत बढ़िया, आप बताइए.
एकदम मजेदार. Miss Verma ji, in 2019, at the age of 15, you became the youngest cricketer to play in a women's 2020 international match for India. आप हाल ही में youngest cricketer बनी हैं, right?
Yes.
To score 1000 T20 runs, और जैसे ही वो कम था तो आपने और भी ज़्यादा पड़ाव पार कर लिए हैं. And you know, 2023 ICC में Under 19 Women T20 World Cup में भी आपने इतने सारे accolades हासिल किया है. तो जैसे लोग व्रत तोड़ते हैं, तो सुना है आप रिकॉर्ड्स तोड़ती हैं.
थैंक्स टू रिमाइंडिंग दिस ऑल रिकॉर्ड्स. बट या जैसे पीवी ने बोला कि रिकॉर्ड्स ही हमें बूस्ट अप करते हैं, एंड यू नो ये जो हमारे ब्राइटर टाइम होता है ये हमें पुश करते रहते हैं कि यू नो वी हैव टू डू वेल, वी हैव टू कीप पुशिंग आवर सेल्फ. सो आई थिंक एज अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन यू हैव टू ग्रो एवरी डे एंड प्रैक्टिसिंग एवरी डे. सो या
क्या बात है. मुझे ये बताइए कि आपके पेरेंट्स को कैसा लगता है इतना सब कुछ हासिल करने के बाद? आपके जो फ्रेंड्स हैं, रिलेटिव्स हैं, जो आपको देखते हैं हर मुकाम पर, कैसा लगता है?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है पेरेंट्स को, बिकॉज इस एज में पेरेंट्स के लिए एंड यू नो बहुत अच्छी बात है उनके लिए, बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट है. एंड मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं उन्हें हमेशा प्राउड फील कराऊँ. एंड या सो ऑल गुड.
आपका इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से आता है?
आई थिंक खुद से, बिकॉज जब मैं अपने बुरे टाइम में अपने आप को कैसे मैं निकालती हूँ, सो आई थिंक वही चीज़ मुझे ये देती है.
क्या बात है, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. वैसे आप दोनों कोर्ट और पिच पर तो कमाल करती ही हैं, पर आपकी बातें भी इक्वली इंस्पायरिंग हैं एंड आई एम श्योर और भी ज़्यादा हमारी जो महिलाएं हैं आपसे इंस्पायर होंगी. एंड इसी बात पे एक गेम याद आया मुझे, तो हम गेम खेलेंगे?
Sure.
आई नो गेम्स के तो आप बादशाह हैं और क्वींस हैं, प्रिंसेसेस हैं, तो चलिए इस गेम को खेलते हैं. इस गेम का नाम है क्लीन बोल्ड. मैं
सबसे पहले कर दूंगी फिर.
मुझे लग ही रहा था कि क्लीन बोल्ड वहां से कुछ तो आने वाला है. माय फील्ड. तो मैं एक सवाल पूछूंगी आप दोनों से. सबसे पहले सवाल पूछूंगी और यहाँ पे मेरे पास एक सीजन बॉल है.
Okay.
ज्यादा मजा आ रहा है ना देखकर और सुनकर. तो वो मैं आपके पास, you know, I'm gonna put it to you. You're gonna catch it and answer the question.
Okay.
Very interesting, very difficult question. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
You're ready for all the challenges, right, ladies? तो चलिए पहला सवाल है सिंधु से. अगर कॉलोनी की आंटी कहे कि कैन यू मेक राउंड रोटीज नाउ, व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर?
Well, for now, round rotis won't be enough, but of course, I'm hungry for a lot more.
Amazing. Woo! Let's do that. The challenge is to catch this one.
That's important.
It's very important.
More than
especially-
answering the question.
Yeah. I'm like, okay. So शेफाली, अगर कोई लड़के कहे आपको कि घर जाओ या शॉपिंग करो, खेल कूद आपके बस की बात नहीं, हमारे बस की बात है, तो आप क्या कहोगे?
आई थिंक मैं ये बोलूँगी कि बॉयज तुम्हारा बोलने का तरीका थोड़ा ऐसा था.
Wonderful. क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
टेक द कैच.
Oh yes, my God.
Shafali should throw it little slower.
This is little spin for me. All right. So next one, Sindhu ji. People who say that sports are okay, but kids should prioritize studies. How will you respond to them?
Well, I think studies and also sports are equally important. So I would say I would let Simran go and live her life.
क्या बात है.
जा
Wonderful.
सिमरन जी ले अपनी जिंदगी.
क्या बात है. दीदी के फैंस है यहाँ पे. देखो राज का तो पता नहीं, आप दोनों तो अपने करियर में राज कर ही रही हैं. So I think the Raj has been achieved. All right. So next one. जब आसपास के लोग कहे लड़कियों को थोड़ा अच्छे से बैठो, जोर से बात मत करो, ऐसे रहो वैसे रहो, जोर से हंसो मत, तो इस तरह की एडवाइस को शेफाली जी आप क्या जवाब देना चाहेंगी?
बोल.
हाँ.
She's waiting for it.
कोई अगर हक से मुझसे बॉल मांग रहा है तो वो है शेफाली जी.
मैं उन लोगों को एक ही एडवाइस देना चाहूँगी, तुम रख लो मौन व्रत, हम चले अपने रास्ते, तुम चलो अपने रास्ते.
Oh my God, फैसला के साथ.
Yeah.
Today's achievement. Super answer. और जो रास्ते से हटकर चलते हैं वो सच में एक मिसाल बन जाते हैं, जैसे कि हमारी सैल्यूट हर शक्ति की कॉन्टेस्ट विनर्स. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the 4th edition of Salute Har Shakti contest, wherein we encourage people to nominate exceptional women around them whose stories have inspired all of us. Our favorite part of this contest is not just meeting our top 3 winners, but going through so many stories of exceptional Indian women who have defied all odds and come out triumphant. We salute each and every one of you today. So let's meet our first winner, Mrs. Paramita Mazumdar. She is the principal of Sunshine Education Society in Navi Mumbai. She has been working in the field of autism spectrum disorder for the last 18 years. She has done her master's in special education and also is a counselor. She has taken many initiatives to help children having similar yet different abilities. In 2018, she has come up with a shelter house for the differently abled adults, wherein they can develop their own community, living skills, and live independently in a socially integrated manner. She is the winner of Nipman Foundation Equal Opportunity Award 2019. She is also awarded by NMMC for her outstanding work in the field of disability, and she is also awarded by Inspiring Indian Women for outstanding community service. Can we have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to welcome her, Paramita ji. Next, I would like to welcome our winner, Miss Anush Salampuria. She has had an exceptional journey, one from a sheltered girl to an independent woman, navigating traditional roles while pursuing her personal growth and professional growth as well. Despite support, she faced a lot of challenges and yet found fulfillment in nurturing her family and leading as an edupreneur today. She's successfully guiding a set of 20-25 ladies and taking care of 250 plus kindergartners every year with especially crafted preschool curriculum and activities at Hela Global School in Pune. She advocates for women's empowerment, rejecting stereotypes and calling for recognition of women's contribution. Can we have a big round of applause, ladies, for welcoming Miss Anush. And now I would like to request and introduce our next winner, Miss Madhu Motiani, known as the Iron Lady of Industrial Automation. She defied norms to excel in a male-dominated field. Starting from small town in Gujarat, she overcame so many obstacles to become an application engineer at SurveyLink Systems Limited. She rose to director position, contributing to its growth and earning accolades. Beyond work, she champions women's empowerment, honored with awards, recognition, and invited for so many talks about her journey from a small town to corporate leadership, showcases a lot of determination. With a background from IIM and membership in professional bodies, she prioritizes learning and development. Well, Madhu's story symbolizes excellence, social responsibility, and resilience, inspiring others to strive for greatness and many more. Ladies and gentlemen, अब तालियों से स्वागत किया जाए मधु जी का. Wow. I must say, looking at all of you, I'm indeed in an august company. Let me take this moment to salute the Shakti of each and every one of you present here. Ladies, all your achievements make Bank of Baroda and all our viewers extremely proud of you. The bank has always believed that women are central to the financial well-being of the household and hence the entire nation. You represent the nation. We support them with our custom-made offerings like Bob Women Power Current Account, Mahila Shakti Savings Account, Baroda Gold Loan, and many more. Congratulations once again on your success of winning this contest and many other things that you have done over many years. But for now, I think Sindhu ji, would you like to ask any question to Paramita ji?
Yes, I would. My question would be to Miss Majumdar ji.
Yes.
Firstly, congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
And I would just want to ask you that what has been, the challenging part of your journey? I mean, because how did it all start? And this cause, I mean, it's not an easy task. I know it's really hard task, but how did you have that change ki, yes, मुझे यही करना है?
So I have a son who is now adult, who is 24 years old. So when he was diagnosed with autism long back in 2000, 2001, like that, he was 1 year old or 2. I didn't know what is autism. Autism is very common nowadays, but that time it was nothing, not so common. And it was like treated as mental retardation, or many people used to say pagal hai, like that. So when I came to know my son is having autism, and if you see an autistic child, he looks apparently normal. Means in that way you will not find any physical some deformities in the child. So I was thinking that only the child was not speaking. So how to bring him up and all. So he got admission in a regular school, but I was not able to keep him in that school. He was not able to concentrate because he was not able to sit at one place. He didn't have speech. And then it was like a journey where I was like very much puzzled what to do with my child. Then I came to know that we need to give him speech therapy, we need to give him occupational therapy and all. When I was working with the occupational therapist and speech therapist, and like there was no school who can take my child and they don't know about autism. Even the special school were not ready to take children with autism at that time. So that came in my mind. My therapist inspired me, my family inspired me, and then they told me that why don't we start the family form a trust and we start a school. So that way I started the school with my child. After starting the school, I felt that I should also know about it. So I started educating myself in autism. I did my graduation, bachelor's degree again in special education. And then eventually, recently I completed my master's. And in between, when I was running the school, the parents were coming and they were like, they didn't know what to do. And it was, if like I counsel them on my own way, it won't be right, because my circumstances were quite different. I got the support of my family. So then I started to know more about counseling. So I did a course in narrative counseling to help the parents. So in that way the journey started, and gradually with the group I started, they became 18 years old, and then what? So then the sheltered workshop, vocational center, so that we can place them in the inclusive society, it came up. Regarding challenges, as you have said, there are innumerable challenges, like from funds to place and all. But the most important challenge is creating awareness in the society.
True.
Making these children have a place in the society. Inclusion, that is the biggest challenge at this very moment.
Yeah, great, ma'am. I mean, congratulations for whatever you've been doing, and it's such a great cause. I mean, don't know what to do, but getting into it deeply and knowing what it is, and now you are literally like having like a group of people whom you support and encourage. I think that's a great job that you do, and please continue in whatever you do, and congratulations once again.
Thank you.
I'm really happy, and I think a woman sitting right here, and people say women empowerment, and I mean it's an example where when we see you and you telling us about all this, I think it's such a wonderful thing, whatever you're doing. And once again, I congratulate you and wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think going out of the way and fighting against all odds and doing something like this really needs a lot of courage, and we're very proud of you to do that. Thank you, ma'am, for doing this. शेफाली जी, आप अगला प्रश्न पूछना चाहेंगी?
Of course, my question to Anusha ji. First of all, congratulations, and आप और मैं एक ट्रेडिशनल एंड हम्बल बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं, तो आपने कब सोचा कि मुझे स्कूल खोलना चाहिए, एंड क्यों? बिकॉज आई नो फाइनेंशियली आपने कैसे किया, एंड बिकॉज सो या
करेक्ट मैम. सो थैंक यू सो मच. सो ये मेरी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई थी प्री स्कूलिंग के थॉट की इन ईयर 2016, जब माई यंगर वन वॉज जस्ट 1.5 years old. सो आई हैड अ करियर ब्रेक. मेरा करियर शुरू हुआ था कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड से, एंड माई प्रायोरिटीज गॉट शिफ्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ माई बेबीज एंड ऑल. So I was that emotional kind of woman who could not, make up my mind to step out again and work full time. So yes, finances came into picture. My skill set came into picture because I had never done preschooling before. But I was a good learner right from very beginning, and I had that passion for education. So one fine day, I suddenly realized that yes, I have passion for education. I have small boys. So why not to go with education for small children? So that's what inspired me to go for preschooling at that particular point of time. And I was lucky enough that finances was not a big hurdle, to be very frank. I started with a small venture with whatever finances were available. I started with handful of children, and today we reached the number where we are. And I am very contented and happy with my journey. I think my journey reflects the journey of many other women who have natural career breaks, and they are always on a quest to find something that suits their circumstances. So this is how Hella Global came into picture, and I'm very happy with the entire setup. Every single day I go, I enjoy that little innocence in my premise and that all women power in my premise.
We are also happy, ma'am. आपने ऐसा step लिया.
Thank
So
you
thanks
so
to
much.
you and all the best for your future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच सो मच। आई मीन जो इनिशिएटिव आपने लिया है बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि बच्चों को मतलब दे से दैट स्टार्ट यंग,
Correct.
पहले से ही सिखाओ तो आगे जाके वो और भी ज़्यादा खिल उठता है, एंड दैट्स हाउ आवर पर्सनैलिटी डेवलप्स। सो थैंक यू फॉर दैट इनिशिएटिव मैम। वेल मिस मोतियानी जी, योर स्टोरी इज़ वेरी इंस्पायरिंग। The advice that you would want to give to a generation wherein women are there in the male-dominated field like yours, उन्हें आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी? What is your advice to them? How did you make this?
So, first of all, thank you for inviting us for this show, and thank you Bank of Baroda for giving us this opportunity and celebrate the success of women. It will inspire many of other women in the same and other fields also. For my journey, see, if I can do this, then all other women also can do this, and if you follow your passion, then nothing is impossible. The only one thing which I want to say to all the women out there, to pursue their dreams, they have to create their path rather than others wait for the other person to create their path. So follow your passion, everything will follow to you.
Yeah.
क्या
Very
बात है?
nice.
That is a very short and sweet,
Sweet.
and a very valuable advice, I must say.
Yeah.
Could not agree more. देखो, हमने पिछले गेम में बॉल फेंका था, बहुत हिम्मत करके मैंने।
बहुत हाथ तोड़े थे मैंने उनके। हाथ लाल देख तो।
देखो मतलब। अब शटल की बारी है।
Oh.
How excited are you to watch the
TV time.
Very excited.
Very excited. Well, our lucky winners. Let's see who can keep the shuttle up in the air for the maximum time.
Technique.
It's called performance pressure.
शटल गिराने की
In the front of PV.
अब मन में सोच रहे कि काश घर में थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करके आए।
ये तो था ही नहीं, ये कब हुआ?
सिर्फ उसके बाद वाला क्वेश्चन आ चुका है। तो चलिए, आप सब तैयार हैं? Yes. थोड़ा सा क्लैपिंग एंड come on, let's do it. All right, so ये है आपके मैदान में, तैयार है?
आप थोड़ा बच के रहना, वो टेक्निक आती है ना शटल गिराने की।
All right, so this is yours. This is yours. आपको मैं गेम समझा दूँ एक बार। मैक्सिमम टाइम के लिए जो इसको ऐसे बाउंस करते रहेगा इन द एयर, और जो गिर जाएगा वो
आता ही
आउट।
नहीं है। One by one can do first.
Oh, actually, yeah, better. Let's do it one by one. Yes, ma'am. You should curate the game. Let's do this.
Otherwise, they'll hit each other. And they'll
Yeah,
say,
yeah,
no,
yeah.
it's not my mistake. It's the other person's mistake.
Hope I'm holding the feather with the right
Yeah.
way. I'm really
So much,
not
so
in front
much.
of you.
All right, let's do this. Let's do it. Come on, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, not bad at all. 4.
2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3.
All right. 3 entries. कौन जीता?
I think
Tie हो गया ना?
4 and 4, yes.
4 and 4. I think एक और टाई ब्रेकर कोई गेम।
Okay.
I don't know. You will spend time just.
I mean, we could say all are winners. So.
Oh yes, that they are. Well played, ladies. क्या बात है? जोरदार तालियां. I would like to offer the winners an opportunity to ask our champions questions. So, Miss Motiani ji.
Yes, I want to ask question to both of you. एक ऐसी चीज़ क्या है कि जो हर लड़की को फॉलो करनी चाहिए अगर उसको उसका पैशन पाना है तो?
I think discipline is very important because अगर आप disciplined नहीं हो then you can't aim the big thing. So I think I will say discipline.
आई वुड से हार्ड वर्किंग रहना चाहिए और जो भी आपने बोला था कि not wait for the opportunity but create your own thing. So I think that is one of the most important thing, क्योंकि not depending on others but you have to do what you want, and of course hard working तो रहना ही चाहिए, to do whatever you want to, or to go more further in life. I think hard working is the first thing I would say.
Lovely answer.
Thank you so much, Bhupiani ji. Abhi, Ms. Salampriya, would you like to ask the next question?
Yes. So my question goes to Shefali ji. So Shefali, जनरली वुमेन को देखा जाता है इंडोर स्पोर्ट्स में, पर एक आपका एक्सेप्शनल पैशन था जो आपने काफ़ी डेडिकेशन के साथ किया. दैट रियली इंस्पायर्स अस. यू डिस्गाइज्ड एज अ बॉय एंड देन यू वन द मैन ऑफ द सीरीज. सो एज अ वुमेन क्रिकेट एस्पिरेंट, कुछ एडवाइस आप देना चाहेंगे मैम?
मैं क्या एडवाइस दूँ, बट ऑफ कोर्स स्टार्टिंग में आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ माई पेरेंट्स मैंने क्रिकेट चूज़ किया. मेरे पेरेंट्स को बहुत पसंद है क्रिकेट, एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमारे हरियाणा के साइड सब बोलते हैं कि रेसलिंग या और कोई गेम्स, बट क्रिकेट बहुत कम निकल के आता है. बट मेरे पेरेंट्स को क्रिकेट बहुत पसंद था, एंड मुझे स्टार्टिंग से वो सबके मैचेस दिखाते थे कि इन्हें देखो ऐसा बनना है, बहुत सारे लड़कों के दिखाते थे. एंड आई थिंक मैंने लड़कों के साथ स्टार्ट किया क्रिकेट, एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल कि मैंने लड़कों के साथ प्रैक्टिस की, क्योंकि आज तक मुझे वो चीज़ हेल्प करती है उनके साथ खेलने, उनके बिग हिट्स, हाउ दे आर हिटिंग. सो या आई थिंक देयर इज़ अ लॉट्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशनल मूवमेंट फॉर मी. मैं बोलने लगी तो पूरी रात हो जाएगी, बट आई विल चूज़ दिस थिंग्स.
करेक्ट मैम. सोचो तो कोई बैरियर्स नहीं है, जो ऑप्शन से हम उनके साथ जा सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इंस्पायरिंग ऑल द वुमेन एस्पिरेंट्स.
थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Anushji. Next one, Paramita ji, would you like to go ahead?
Yeah, my question is to PV Sindhu. So you are in a peak of your career. It's like you have won medals in 2 consecutive Olympics, and the third one is coming, and I hope that you win gold and come. The thing is that, and I hope that you come for the 4th one too. So the thing is that you have started very young. So there are many women out here, maybe not in athletics, but many fields. They start very young, but they don't get that success. And then there is a family pressure and all, and then at last they have to give up. So what's your advice to them?
Well, definitely there are, I'm very fortunate firstly to have continued, and of course my parents both were from the sports background. तो इसीलिए मैंने I think I'm really fortunate to have chosen sport, but not the same sport as what my parents used to play. I choose badminton. They used to play volleyball, and I mean it was their support and encouragement that took me forward. And I think a lot of parents, especially जब वो लोग start करते हैं, I mean when the children start playing at the very young age, a lot of people might not get success at a very early age. Couple of people might get success really late, couple of people might get success very early. So that doesn't mean when you're losing or when you're not getting success. Parents, firstly my answer is to the parents कि वो believe रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो लोग भी सोचना है कि वो इतना easy नहीं है. And I think that belief, and of course the child will be practicing hard, but it is not easy that every time they win. Sometimes you lose, sometimes it might not be your day, sometimes nothing might go right, but there's every time that belief and that hope ki we can do it. I think that only will take you much more further, and you will get success at some or the other point, because definitely hard work is the key for success, right? So I would just tell the parents that have that belief on their children and keep supporting them no matter what. क्योंकि वो लोग सोचते हैं कि चलो यार कुछ रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा है, let them stop, let them do something else and get successful in that career. But there is no guarantee in anything unless and until you be in that for so many years, you would not understand. And they need to guide them in a right way. That's very important. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग एक academy या एक stadium में we've asked our children to play, and where there are superstars or successful people from that academy or that stadium, they can't expect their children also to do the same thing. Every individual is different. So each individual has a different style of play, different mindset, different thinking. So you have to just see what your child needs and follow and support them in whichever they want.
So never give up.
Yes, never give up, absolutely. As you never gave up, nobody else should give up.
Thank you so much.
Wow, such golden words coming in from all of you. Beautiful. I mean, I feel like what more can I do? Like, you know, sitting here, I'm getting inspired even more listening to your wonderful stories. It's amazing.
Thank you.
So now, are we ready to play another game?
So many games, surprising games.
Your life is all about games. So I thought we'll just give you another, you know, same scenario, but fun games, of course. So the next game is going to be between PV Sindhu and Shefali ji.
God.
My God. आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये कोई हमें वॉलीबॉल या कोई और गेम No, but this is dumb charades.
Okay.
हमने सबने बचपन में
bad
खेला है और ये वो
Don't worry, even me too.
क्या क्या what was that I missed?
No, she
I'm
said
saying I'm very bad in this.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
फिर
She was
खेलना
like,
ही
well,
पड़ेगा।
it's okay, I'm also.
देखते हैं चैंपियंस क्या करते हैं हमारे साथ So, well, I will be showing you one cue card and उसको आपको enact करके दिखाना है either one and Sindhu is
क्या
like
दिखाओगे?
क्या आप तैयार है डम शरेट्स खेलने के लिए
नहीं.
खेलना तो पड़ेगा
ठीक है, चलो खेलते हैं.
तो ऐसा है कि इसमें आपको अपनी गद्दी छोड़नी पड़ेगी मतलब असली में नहीं बट वो वाली गद्दी छोड़नी पड़ेगी तो डम शरेट्स का खेल शुरू किया जाए
Yes.
अपनी गद्दी छोड़कर यहाँ पर आ जाइए 4 आपको एनेक्ट करने हैं वर्ड्स
क्या दे दिया यार पहला ही.
flag.
Oh,
Tiranga.
yes. Thanks. दूसरा करते हैं.
Pani puri.
ये लड़की में सबसे जल्दी आंसर आ जाएगा. कितने हो गए पॉइंट्स तो बताओ यार मेरे.
2 हो गए तो 10 on 10 20 टोटल
अरे बहुत मुश्किल है. करो हम कर लेंगे गेस.
लड़की.
I knew this is coming
मटका. Yes. Thanks. Last one.
30 पॉइंट्स हो गए आपके
Last one है.
Yes.
Let's go.
I thought you'll open it and
No.
teams. Teammate. Teamwork.
Yes.
Okay.
High five. So 4 into 4 guys.
40 पॉइंट्स तुम्हारे
Challenge.
Alright, so ये वहाँ छोड़ के आने के लिए बहुत ready
I'm ready.
now this goes to you
Okay.
I'm gonna be leaving this here
So I'll have to go there. Okay.
yes
Okay, ready?
Let's go.
Okay, first one.
Trophy. What trophy?
Trophy.
Oh, nice.
Second one.
Roti.
yeah
Badminton. Racket. Bed. Bed. First word is bed. Cricket. Bat. Cricket bat.
No.
Bat. Only bat. Okay.
क्रिकेट के नाम से जज्बाती हो जाता है अरे खिलाड़ी यहाँ पर
Okay. Oh, अच्छी बहू लग रही है. घूंघट.
बात है
That's all. 40 on 40.
I want more
Oh, you do. You go do. You give answer.
wow that was amazing
Done.
Yes.
amazing so I think it's time to get back to your position and let me go there again
Yes.
Thank you so much, ladies. I feel immense gratitude for the privilege of meeting these extraordinary women and being touched by their stories. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to Bank of Baroda for their commitment to initiatives like Salute Her Shakti campaign, continuously championing the cause of women's empowerment. I offer my deepest salute to every woman out there who, with her unwavering spirit, has triumphed against adversity. Their courage is a beacon of inspiration indeed. This is your host Monica Murthy signing off till we meet for the next edition of Salute Her Shakti.